So Tuesday through Friday. You can see there's no folder for Monday because we did not have any school. You can see our essential question here reads, how do readers identify what and why in scientific and technical text to better understand the information? So last week we were looking at historical text and we were asking ourselves while we were reading what's happening. So what event is happening in the text, and then why is it happening? So we're going to continue that strategy of asking what and why. This time we're going to look at two different types of text, scientific and technical. So when we open up Tuesday's folder, you will see, as a reminder, we do not have live meetings this week in the mornings at 9 o'clock. We are just meeting at those scheduled times where you will meet and read one-on-one with me. So please check that schedule to see which time, because again, we do not have a live meeting this morning. You're going to watch this teacher video where I introduce technical text. See, you can see me down there in the corner. And then on your own, you are going to use the graphic organizer that I model for you in this video while you are reading this text right here, floating or sinking liquids. You can see here in parentheses it says you complete the why. I've already completed a portion of this graphic organizer for you. I included the what, so the different what is happening or the different events that are happening in that text. You have to tell me why they are happening. So it's partially completed. There's nowhere for you to upload this graphic organizer, it's just for you to help you better understand this text. When you're finished, you have some multiple choice questions, I believe there are 6, that come from this text, floating or sinking liquids. And then you have this week's vocabulary words and definitions, and then day 1 of vocab. On Wednesday, you can see again, no live meeting. However, today, you are going to use this time to complete the writing test. So we talked about that a little bit last week, but today you will use that time. So there are no additional reading assignments other than watching the day 2 vocabulary video. I do believe that it will ask you to complete the color words activity, so make sure you have a sheet of paper so that you can do that right there in the video as you are watching. On Thursday, again, no live meeting. And when we go into the directions, we can see that you are going to watch as Mrs. Body introduces something called scientific text. So on Tuesday, we looked at technical text. Today, we're going to look at scientific text. So similar, but slightly different. Again, we're focused on asking what is happening in the text and then why it's happening. However, in this video, I'm going to model for you not necessarily using the graphic organizer, but just taking some notes over here in the margin. So then you are going to read this text titled Minerals, and you are going to take notes in the margins just like I modeled for you in the video. After you do that, then you are going to complete these questions for the text Minerals, and then you have your day 3 vocabulary video. Finally, we've made it to Friday. Let's take a look. Sorry, we're waiting for it to load. Let's try refreshing this page. There we go. So again, no live meeting. You are going to watch the day 4 vocabulary video. Upload your color words. So in this video, it's going to prompt you to do your color words activity for the last 3 words. So you're going to upload that here, and then you are going to complete the vocabulary week 17 and 18 quiz. I would take some time to go back and revisit those words and their definitions. That's all you have for Friday. Let me know if you have any questions about this week in reading.